Pete Gustis here, looking at 370 Pennsylvania Avenue in Exeter School District. This home is on Pathfinder Meadows. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in a great neighborhood. It's got a 2-car garage. Let's go check it out. Okay, the great thing about this home is actually it's one of the few models that are vaulted. So when you come in, you have a large family room with a loft. There's plenty of windows all around. You've got a grand staircase. And then you have another room which features your fireplace, first floor laundry, bathroom, and your kitchen's pretty large, has room for dining. That walks out to your deck. Okay, walking upstairs, the first thing you notice is the open concept here. And you have your first full bathroom. Right next to that is a large bedroom. Has a chalkboard wall if you have kids. All the bedrooms do have closets, by the way. And they're all nice size. Then you have your second bedroom. This one does have finished flooring, not carpet. And then you have your loft. And finally, we have a master. It's a nice sized master. You do have a walk-in closet. And then, of course, your bathroom. Nice thing is a shed is also included. The home does have a rear deck. And there's a slight hill in the back, but a good thing about that is there's actually trees, so there's no backyard neighbors once the trees grow in. So it does give you some privacy and still plenty of room for outdoor grilling or family time. All right, Pete Gustis here. Thanks for previewing 370 Pennsylvania Avenue in Exeter. Give me a call at 610-209-9219 if you'd like a preview or you have questions. Look forward to helping you soon.